Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. On today's video, we are going to be touching up the paint on our rear wheels of our GT4. Now, you can get the silver wheel touch-up paint from Porsche, but you can't find it for platinum gray. But we did find out that a lot of people have had luck with the Porsche Titanium Metallic D7Z, so that's what we are going to use today on our wheels. Additionally, it does come with a brush, but I'm going to be using a finer brush so that we can really get all the details and make this look fantastic. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we are going to do is put a little bit of alcohol onto this area and wipe it so that it's prepped to accept the paint. Next, this is the paint that we're going to be using. We've shaken it pretty darn well at this point, so I think it is ready to go. And this does come with its own paintbrush. As you can see, this is a pretty large tip. So I am actually going to use a smaller brush like we discussed. And for me, I kind of like to just pick the paint up off of the brush to my newer brush. So I'm just gently dabbing more than brushing to apply the paint to this nick. And so far, I mean, the paint is still wet, but it looks like this is a very good match for the color. And again, just a little bit of alcohol. All right, this paint worked out wonderfully on these wheels and it looks great. I also really like the texture. It wasn't too thick and it wasn't too runny. We picked ours up on Pelican Parts for about $40, so that is one place you can find this if you need it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you want to see anything else about the Porsche, we've got several other videos about DIY and touch-ups.